Right now, a galaxy 2.5 million light years away is falling toward us, and there is absolutely nothing in the universe that can stop it. That galaxy is Andromeda, and it has been locked in a gravitational embrace with the Milky Way since the beginning of cosmic time. Here's where it starts to get strange. Andromeda is the farthest object your naked eye can see. On a dark night, that faint smudge of light above the horizon is not a star. It is 1 trillion stars. One smear of photons carrying the light of an entire galaxy, traveling for 2.5 million years just to reach your eye in this moment. But here is what most people never hear. Andromeda is not just big, it is enormous. Estimates place its diameter at roughly 220,000 light years, more than twice the width of the Milky Way. If you could see its full halo of stars with the naked eye, it would appear 6 times wider than a full moon in our sky. 6 full moons, edge to edge, invisible only because the outer stars are too faint, and yet it gets more extreme. Andromeda is racing toward us at approximately 110 kilometers per second. Every single second, it closes the gap by 110 kilometers. That sounds catastrophic. But keep this open loop in mind, because the real revelation is not the collision itself, it is what happens after. Here's the part no one expects. When Andromeda and the Milky Way finally collide in roughly 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will not smash together like cars in a crash. Stars are so impossibly far apart that almost none will actually strike each other. Instead, the two galaxies will pass through one another, distort, spiral back, merge, and over billions of years quietly settle into one vast elliptical galaxy. Astronomers already have a name for it, Milkomeda, a single galaxy born from two. Our entire cosmic home, transformed beyond recognition. The universe does not destroy. Sometimes it simply remakes everything we thought was permanent. That is the quiet enormity of what is already on its way.